So, is there something in your life that you have been carrying that you are aware is weighing you down? Perhaps it's some heavy emotions, perhaps it's a behavior pattern or a belief system that you've realized actually isn't supporting you anymore. You'd love to let it go, but you're not quite sure how to go about this. Well, that is exactly why I have created the Kolorlan Release Journey, and I would love to invite you to come and experience it alongside me and the many other pilgrims who will be taking this journey this September. It is just one part of a 4-part journey series that we follow throughout the year, and it's very much matched with the energy of the year. So we're gathering intentionally in September to receive the support of the energy of the autumn equinox. And that is the point in the year when we switch from the days of light into the days of darkness. So from the energy of doing and achieving and building to the energy of resting and allowing things to percolate and reseed, ready to give birth for another year. And the equinox marks this transition, this balance point, where we get to do a couple of things. So first of all is to release any old baggage that is no longer serving us. And second is to actually harvest and celebrate all of the things that we have been creating that are here supporting us right now. So this is the energy, this is the intention, this is what you get to receive when you experience the Kolorlan Release Journey. How does that happen? Well, it's a very beautiful process that begins today when you sign up and say that you wish to embark upon this journey. And the first thing I will do is put together a gift box for you. That gift box is going to contain a beautiful blank geometry image. It's going to contain a set of gel pens that you're going to use to colour in that image. And it's going to contain a few other additional surprise gifts that I don't reveal here because it's lovely to receive a surprise when you open a box. The gift box is beautifully packaged. It will arrive at your doorstep in a golden envelope, and it's going to feel like you've really received just the most beautiful, delightful gift to begin. You're then going to step into a very special private online community space, which is where the journey takes place. And you can step in there as soon as your gift box arrives because it's there waiting for you with a beautiful welcome section and some treats that you can explore and enjoy before we officially start in September. We also have a live launch party on Zoom where we gather just a couple of days before the 1st of September to meet and greet one another, for me to explain how everything is going to work and to just give you a bit of guidance around the community in case that's helpful. And then on the 1st of September and each day for the next 25 days, you're going to just pop into our online community space and you're going to open a virtual door behind which will sit a colour, one of the colours from your 15 gel pens, and a number that is instructing you how many areas in your space to colour. You're going to connect with the colour you're using via a beautiful meditation, and this process is going to take around 10 minutes, so it's so easy to carve that time out of your day. It happens at whatever time of day suits you. So for some people, they like to set up their day that way and start out in the morning and bring some supportive energy into the day. Others actually like to take a break at some point during the day. And then there are others who like to reflect and just round off the day with some peace and quiet in the evening. So all of that is entirely up to you. Also in there, we connect as a group. So we've got a private chat space. And that for me is one of the most beautiful aspects of each of these journeys. It's watching how everybody comes together. We share our experiences. We share how the colours are allowing us insights and actually allowing things to release. And I know if you've taken one of the Kolorlan journeys before, you will understand the magic of this process, how transformative and how special it is. And I also appreciate that if you've never tried this before, that is going to sound very weird. Like, how can 10 minutes colouring and listening to a meditation actually do anything? Well, all I can say is it does. It is absolute magic, and I would love you to experience that for yourself. So if there's something in this description, something in this energy, something in the gift box, or any of the images that you're seeing that is creating a bit of curiosity, creating a little pull towards this, then trust that intuition, because that is your inner guidance telling you that this journey is perfect for you, for whatever it is that you're ready to release and move forwards with right now. And I will be absolutely delighted to share that with you, to support you in that process and to watch the magic unfold. So please join us, and I will look forward to putting together your gift box, sending it on its way to you, and then welcoming you personally inside the community and traveling with you through September. So thank you, and I will see you soon.